Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the trigonometry equation. We have the question written down. So 3 sine theta plus 5 cot theta, which is equals to cosec theta. For the range, we have theta, it is greater than or equal to 0 degree, but less than or equal to 360 degree. So let's get started. Let's write down the question. 3 sine theta plus 5 cot theta, which is equals to cosec theta, right? Then for you to solve this kind of trigonometry equation, you have to know trigonometry identity. And trigonometry identities, we are going to take cot and cosec theta. So we are going to say cot theta, we all know that it is cos theta over sine theta. And for cosec theta, it is cosec theta, it is 1 over sine theta. So we are going to substitute 3 sine theta plus 5, where this cot theta, we are going to say cos theta over sine theta, and which is equals to, where this cosec theta, we have 1 over sine theta. We have 1 over sine theta. So we are going to take this term to the other side. So we are going to say 3 sine theta, which is equals to 1 minus sine theta. Here, 5 cos theta over sine theta, it is positive. When across is equal sign, to be minus 5 cos theta over sine theta. If you can see, the common denominator is same. So that means we are going to subtract 1 minus 5 cos theta. So 3 sine theta, it is equals to 1 minus 5 cos theta over sine theta. Then here you cross multiply, in which sine theta times 3 sine theta, it is 3 sine squared theta, it is equals to 1 minus 5 cos theta. Then if you can see, we have different terms, sine theta and cos theta. So we have to make these variables to be equal. So we have to take this sine squared theta. And remember, in the trigonometry identity, we have, if you have sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, it is equals to 1. So we have to make sine squared theta to be the subject of the formula, which is equals to 1 minus cos squared theta. So we have to substitute where there is 1 minus, where there is sine squared theta with 1 minus cos squared theta. So we are going to say 3 open, where there is sine squared theta, we have 1 minus cos squared theta, which is equals to 1 minus 5, right? 5 cos theta. Then let's expand 3 times 1, which is 3, minus 3 times cos squared theta, it is 3 cos squared theta, which is equals to 1 minus 5 cos theta, right? Then let's get these all terms to the other side. So in which we are going to say it is going to be 3 cos squared theta, then minus 5 cos theta, then plus this one here which we're having, then minus 3, right, which is equals to 0. Then 3 cos squared theta minus 5 cos theta, then 1 minus 3, it is minus 2, right, which is equals to 0. Then here, this is a quadratic equation. So we have to look for product and sum. Product, it is 3 times negative 2, which is minus 6. And sum, it is minus 5. So that means sum it will be, we are going to say if you multiply 1 times the minus 6, we are going to have minus 6. Then when you add 1 minus 6, you are going to have minus 5. So this is our sum, and the product it is minus 6. So 3 cos squared theta minus, where there is the 1, we say cos theta, then plus or here it is minus, then here plus here minus 6 cos theta, then minus 2, which is equals to 0, right? Then you have to factorize now. We have 3 cos squared theta plus cos theta minus 6 cos theta minus 2, which is equals to 0. So factorize now. Here we are going to have what is common here, it is cos theta. Cos theta into 3 cos squared theta, we are going to remain with 3 cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta, it is 1. Then here what is common, it is minus 2. So we are going to have minus 2. Then open minus 2 into minus 6 cos theta, we are going to have 3 cos theta. Then minus 2 into minus 2, it is plus 1, which is equals to 0. If you can see, these terms are equal. So that means we are going to take this term and this term and the one of this term which we are having here, which is cos theta minus 2 in the bracket, then 3 cos theta plus 1 equals to 0. Then we are going to equate every of each equation to be equals to 0, right? Then we are going to say cos theta it is equals to 2 when minus 2 across the equal sign. Then here we are going to have 3 cos theta equals minus 1, which is cos theta equals minus 1 over 3, because when you divide by 3, both sides you are going to have minus 1 over 3, right? If you take inverse of 2, so we only consider this value which we are having here. This value it is rejected. Cos theta it is equals to minus 1 over 3. Then we have to take inverse. So theta it is equals cos inverse of minus 1 over 3. So now let's try to draw quadrants here. Quadrants. And for you to find the two possible answers, you have to ignore this negative, but keep in mind that there is a negative. So if you punch on calculator cos inverse of 1 over 3, we are going to have 70.5. We are going to have 70. So that means 70, it is in this quadrant here, 70.5. We are going to check where cos it is negative. Here all values are positive, sine, cos, tan. But here only side it is positive. So we are going to say 180 minus 70.5. This one should be equals to 109.47 degree, right? Then let's move where also cos it is negative, because here cos it is negative even here, right? So in which we are going to say 180, this 180, here there's a reflection of 70.5. 70.5 plus 180. 180 plus 70.5, it is equals to 250 degree, 250.5 degree. So our possible value for theta, it will be theta equals 109.47 degree and 250.5 degrees. So these are our possible value for this question. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the result. Thank you.